Hi there, and thank you for clicking on this video. Okay, my name is Amber Eyangajakai, and I'm going to teach you in this video how you can design your ebook in the right format, of course, that you can use to sell to your clients or anybody who wishes to download. So you're probably writing your ebook right now in Word format, MS Word, or you're doing it on Google Docs or wherever you're typing it, and now you want to be able to convert it to an ebook format. This video is going to show you exactly how to do so. Okay, so follow me. As you can see, what I'm using right now is PowerPoint. Like, I'm sure you probably didn't imagine you could use PowerPoint to do this. Yes, you can, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, okay? So what I've done here with PowerPoint is to create the right dimension. Of course, you know that on PowerPoint, the dimension doesn't always look like this. It's always wide because it's in presentation style. Now, because we want to make it a book, we've turned it to a portrait style. So it's not landscape, but portrait. And the size dimension I'm using here is 6 by 9 inches. So the first thing you want to do is create a cover page for your book, okay? And if you've not already done so, you can always move on to Canva and design a cover. So I'm just going to show you briefly how to do that. Just go to Canva and, all right, go to the search and put the ebook cover, right? There are loads of covers you can, you can edit, design, change, put the right name, and you're good. So the dimension is okay here, 6 by 9. Just pick any one here, do the edits, and then download it. But this is not a Canva training. When you download it, you get your front cover correct. You've designed it. You now import it here. So by the time you're done designing your cover here, you take it back to PowerPoint. Of course, all you just need to do is click on. All right, so what I did was provide this as templates in case anybody wants to get it. But typically, you can just import it. You can just come over here to insert and then insert the cover, you just design in Canva. So make sure you design and save it as an image, PNG format, all right? So here, what I've done with templates that I made available, there are buttons below where you can see these templates. What I did was to make it easy for you. So you just need to click here and then you'll be able to download the cover you want. So I've already downloaded this one for myself. If you have another one, let's see, download. In case you've downloaded one, you designed one on Canva and now you want to bring it in here. Let me see if I can find anyone. 1 minute, hold on. Give me a second. Okay, I've seen it cover. So PNG, right? So I'm going to set that. Good. It just fits perfect. All right. It was designed on Canva. So you may want to explore that, do that. And then what I've done also here is provide some, made it easy for anyone who wants to do this. Okay. So I already have it designed. And if you want to do it yourself, you can do that. Just go ahead and start putting in your text, what I've done here is provide the capacity for you to edit content here, fill in your chapters. Sorry, let me enlarge these pages. Fill in your chapters, all right? Go further. If you want to put each chapter title per page, you can do so. There's so much you can do. If you're conversant with MS Word or PowerPoint, this should make it easy for you to do it by yourself. But if you're not, of course, I provided templates below that you can always purchase for very affordable prices and go do it by yourself. Easy wheezy, it saves you time, effort, energy. This just makes it a breeze. Okay, so you can go on to, edit, because I've already created pages for introduction. If you want to take out these images, it's fine. You don't want image or you want image, it's still fine. Other places where we have headings, if you want to put bullets, there were also some pointers here to let you know what you can do with some of the spaces and all that. If you want a page that has 2 columns, we also provided that option for you. So a column here, a column here. Okay, so this makes it easy. I'm going to show you other kind of templates. Look at this. So it's all left to you on how you want to enjoy using this or how you want to enjoy using PowerPoint to do your thing. And then the last page, which is, probably where you want to give an upsell or something, you can always do it here. So you put your call to action here. Let me say you want to put a link here for them to click. You have to go get the link and then you come over here. Make sure you click on the parts they should be clicking, or maybe the box itself. And then you go to insert and you go to hyperlink. Okay, So with hyperlink, you type the address. For example, the address I'm going to put in my website, adenodre.com. So whatever it is you want them to access, oh, that's it. And then you click on OK. So what this means is that this place is now clickable. Okay. Same with here. If you want to do the same here, your website here, click on hyperlink and you do the same. Okay. So easy wheezy. And then the final page is where you can put in details about how they can find you, about the author and all of that. So you can always put your links to your social media pages. And then here, of course, you can always put your image. Of course, I made it easy so anyone can click here and insert their image and it will be in this round frame. Let me try something pretty quick. Sorry. Pretty quick. Oh my God. Yes. I'm just going to pick any image anyway. So let me just pick any image just to show you how it's going to fit into that circle. So easy, wheezy. Okay, I'm going to take that out. Sorry. All right, so feel free to go on and tell readers about you and all of that. You can always make this as much as, make it suit you, however way you want to do it. Okay, so what I've done is to provide different templates that can make this easy for anyone. Okay, this is another template. So you can see the size dimension is there. You just need to replace this with your ideal cover page. Here is the table of content. There are a lot of inspirations you can get from here. If you want to do it yourself, feel free to be inspired, but I've already shown you how to go about this. And if you want to download these templates, you can just access them in our digital store for very affordable prices, and you get them all. We're selling all of them, so you can use them for future books if you want, so all of this going as a bundle. All right, there are other designs, different types depending on however way you want to do it. Table of contents here, chapter goes here, introduction and photo, different templates, different formats you want. If you want to duplicate pages, feel free to do so. So maybe say let me say you're typing here and you've exhausted that page. You just need to duplicate the page. So or insert a new page. So you click there. If you're used to PowerPoint, this shouldn't be a problem. Just click there, right click there and add new slide. And then you have a new page to continue typing. Another option is to make the page the same exact way the former one looked. So just click on the same page, right click on the same page and click on duplicate slide. All right, so that way you just keep typing. When there's more to write, you just duplicate the slide, continue writing. Okay, so this makes it easy for anyone to use. And when you are done, I'm going to delete that because this template, when you're done, just click on File, all right? And then you click on Save As. You title your book, whatever you want to call it, my book, blah, 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 whatever. And then you make sure you change this to PDF. Easy, wheezy. Once you're done, you save and your book is ready as a PDF format. Amazing. This format can work for anything. In fact, if you want to go put your book on Amazon, this format would work perfectly. If you want to go put your book on Okada Books, if you want to even print your book, this is the ideal format for you. So please feel free to download it. Click the link below to access these books, these templates for a very affordable price on our e-store, and you can download it and use whatever format or template you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go try it out, go write your book and enjoy the process. All right, if you want help with writing your book and you're struggling, or you've probably written but you need the push, you need somebody to push you, motivate you to finish it, we have a 30-day challenge that holds every month. All right, 30 days. So what we do is that we bring people into the challenge and we ensure they write and complete and launch their book in 30 days. We've helped over 300 people so far. We've been doing it for over 2 years right now, and it's amazing. The returns, the testimonials are amazing. We've helped people get out of their procrastination zone and they've published their books and they're making loads of money from their ebooks, putting it on Amazon and all of that. All our trainings involve training on how to write your book, how to design it, everything, even how to upload it on Amazon, how to make sales, how to create your launch, how to launch your book, all the entire process from beginning to the end. All right, all you just need to do is join the program and get the motivation and the drive and the trainings and the resources and the support and community to help you finish. We have a community that is filled with people that have written books, and so they can always pour you on and help you with any questions you have. So yes, feel free to also click the link that will send you to read more about our ebook launch program, which is a 30 days challenge. All right, so that's about it from my side. Again, my name is Amber Eyanga Jakaye, and I'll see you some other time. Bye-bye.